Everyone, today what we're doing is changing the faceplate on my PS5 from a white to a black one that you see here. There's the white one. I've never ever liked the white cover, just my personal opinion, and I was over the moon when I knew that you could get these black covers, so I picked one up from Amazon. It was during the last Amazon Prime Day, which was a while ago now. I just haven't had the chance to put it on. I paid £24 for it, and I just checked now, it's gone back up to £32. It's called Benazcap. It's a Benazcap black faceplate. I'm sure there's loads of different types of faceplates. It's just the one that had the most reviews and the one that was a decent price that I picked up. I'll put the link in the description below if you want one. Okay, so according to the instructions, what we do is find the logo there and then pull it up. Do this. Yeah. So go around clockwise. I didn't need to, but there you go, that was off quite easily. Just gonna give it a little bit of a wipe whilst I'm here. There's a little bit of dust on there, just get rid of that from the fan. Okay, so we need the top, which is there, and that way. So as you can see, there's these little holes here, and these are the bits that go inside. These bits here inside the hole. So we're just gonna line them up and push it, and that's that clipped in. That was very easy. Okay, already looking better. Let's do the bottom. Okay, so here's the bottom. We're just gonna take this thing off there like that and put that to the side. And which way do we go? So that bottom one's a bit more stiff. There it is. Okay, let's give this a bit more of a clean. And again, as you can see, these little holes here, these are where these slide into. That's it, done. Whoa, nice, so much nicer. Let's have a look. And there it is, all done, powered on. You can see the light nicely there, and it all fitted on quite nice and snug. It looks premium, and it's black, which is what matters. Thanks for watching. If you liked, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.